Today I'm going to show you how to use the Adobe Spark iPhone app to create an introduction video for yourself. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the Adobe Spark Video app. And I found that it was easiest to create an album of the photos that I'm going to want to use in the Adobe Spark app, just so I didn't have to go through my entire camera roll looking for photos to use. So I went ahead and made myself an Adobe Spark album. And all you're going to do is when you open up the app, you're going to click the plus sign at the very bottom to create a new video. It's going to ask for access to your camera roll if it's the first time that you're using it, and you just allow access. You select the photos that you want, and the app goes ahead and creates an auto, cropped and everything pattern with your photos. Then you can go in and you can add captions, like for example right now I am adding captions to my photo of who's in the photo, and some other information. This photo, for some reason, it kept popping into Adobe Spark upside down, and it didn't matter how many times I continued to add the photo or move the photo around. I couldn't flip it for some reason. So I just decided to swap out the photo for a different one, which I'm able to do using that plus sign. I can just click that plus sign and change the photo. I can click that plus sign and add captions. I can add a title. I can change the text size at the bottom there. I can drag and drop the text to one of 5 places on the screen. It auto aligns to all 4 corners and then again in the middle. So those are the 5 points that you can use to align your text. You can add images. I didn't add any images for this one because for my students' assignment, I would ask them to choose some photos of some things that they love or things about them, and then just kind of explain them briefly after I add in a title screen. So I just hit the plus button, add in a title, give my my introduction video a title, a few things about me, Miss P, all excited. And then I change the theme so I'm able to see what it looks like with the theme here. I add some music. So Adobe has preloaded music, but you can also add MP3 tracks that you own to the video. So here I choose a video soundtrack, and then I hit the preview button, and so it shows me the preview of my video. This is just the video playing. And so all of the videos end with that little Adobe Spark plug. So when I was going through the video, I realized that I didn't like the way that some of the text looked, so I'm going to go back into my video and edit what the texts are. Obviously, my title was a few things about me, and I don't really have any captions that explain anything about me, so I went ahead and went through the video, decided to change those captions to some facts about myself instead of just, random words. So this is me using, again, that text tool that's right at the bottom. You just click that little plus sign or you click on the caption that already exists. I'm changing that information and then exporting the video so that I could save it to my Google Drive. So I exported it to my camera phone or my camera roll to add it to my Google Drive, and my students would upload their videos to our learning management system from their Google Drives.